Imagine waking up one day, and instead of humans running the world, AI is in control. Sounds like science fiction, maybe, but how close are we really? Right now, AI drives our cars, powers our homes, and even helps doctors save lives. In 1997, AI shocked the world, defeating the world chess champion. That was just the beginning. Today, AI can write stories, compose music, design art, and doing much more than we can ever imagine. AI helping scientists discover life-saving medicines. But here's the twist. AI isn't just helping, it's replacing. Advanced AI tools like GPT-4 and Copilot can write code, debug, and build entire applications without human hands. Call centers once filled with voices, now replaced by chatbots that never sleep, never stop. And factories, operating in darkness, with no need for brakes, lights, or people. So what happens when AI doesn't just assist us, but begins making decisions for us? A world run perfectly, they say. No mistakes, no delays, no errors. But AI has no heart, no empathy, no human soul. It can teach facts, but can it teach kindness? Can it inspire creativity or understand dreams? The question isn't if AI will take over parts of our world, it's how far we'll let it go. The answer? Control the controller. Humans and AI must not compete, but collaborate for betterment. Because the future of AI depends on the choices we make today. Will we let it rule us, or help us rise? The power is in your hands. What do you choose? Comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe Ishverse Infinity for more such amazing content.